let us see how to launch Apple Simulator without running app. As part of this, we can also see launch simulator from Xcode, step-by-step demo, and some more detail. Let me go to Xcode to start with. Go to Launchpad, search Xcode, open it. Now go to under Xcode. Under that there is a open developer tool. Click on simulator. It will launch the Apple simulator. Okay, simulator windows launch without any device. If you need a device, click hardware. For example, you want iPhone 11 Pro Max, click on that. iPhone 11 Pro Max is displayed. It is loading, but you can notice that it is not having device puzzles. You want to show the device puzzles, click on that. You can see now device puzzles. If you want to close the window, minimize the window, you can minimize it. If you want to close the window, turn off the device puzzles, and then you will have the close minimize icons. You can just close it. If you want to open the another IoT watch OS, we can open it, select the watch OS, and with device puzzles, without device puzzles, it is loading. Okay, right. Once loaded, I will show the device puzzles, and it will look exactly same as watch device. Okay, instead of waiting, I will show it now. So you can see that it watch device, right? It's loading. You can switch back to device puzzles and to close it. Now if you want to open the tvOS, click on that. tvOS is loaded with device puzzles, right? So this is a TV and it's connected to tvOS, starting with the settings app, right? And go so close it. So this is how you can launch simulator without running the app. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Click on the bell notification. Thank you.